being a part of the center has allowed me to be in a very kind of application-heavy research, whereas in a lot of cases, PhD research is all about theory. You develop a theory and you kind of don't know whether it's even applicable, whether it's useful to the world. But being with the center, we have had multiple industry partners. We have seen how they operate, and we have seen other PhD students, other faculties that have been in close contact with such diverse scenarios. And one of the best parts is that you develop a theory and there's ready-made applications that you can try your frameworks on. So that kind of validates your research in a way that I don't think I would have gotten if I had been in a normal standard PhD program. Personally, I love research. It kind of makes me feel as I'm opening up a new toy, each of the research projects. So I want to keep doing that, keep doing this, whether it be in R&D in an industry or in academia. I am really hopeful that we can possibly extend my current research to different pathways, both in real-world various industry applications and also in academia if